If you get this error message in Vocaloid Editor which say cannot open database terminating program, then I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now, this is a very common issue and a lot of people are facing this problem. Now, how do you solve this issue? Now, the error you've seen in Vocaloid Editor which say cannot open database terminating program usually means that the software can't locate the voice bank or essentially data files it needs to run. Now, here's an extra tip before you go to the actual fix in order to fix this problem. It's just an extra tip you need to try. If you're using an older version like Vocaloid 2 or 3 on modern Windows like 10 or 11, try to run it in compatibility mode. Just right click on the shortcut that you use to run the Vocaloid and then go to Properties, then go to Compatibility tab. Then make sure to run it as Windows XP or 7. So just right click on the shortcut that you use to run the Vocaloid software, go to the Properties tab and then select Compatibility. Then make sure to run it as Windows XP or 7. Now, if you're still facing again the same issue, you can just remove the compatibility mode and just make sure to run it as normal as it was found before. Now, here's how to fix this problem. The first step is you need to install a voice bank. Since this error is caused by the following, as you can see here, the error you are seeing in Vocaloid Editor which say cannot open database terminating program usually means that the software can't locate the voice bank or such data files it needs to run. Now, install a voice bank if you haven't too. The Vocaloid Editor needs at least one voice bank like Kaito, Miku, and etc. installed and properly linked. If you go here to this subreddit, you can see a lot of people are facing this issue. As the error message I show you there on the screenshot, which is this one, he was also facing the same problem. Now, he was needing assistance and he was able to fix this issue by installing a voice bank which was from Miriam. Now, there are a lot of voice bank as you can see here. Never mind, installing Miriam has seemed to help somewhat. I'm actually able to open the software. I'll see what I can do with it. As you can see, he downloaded it from the Internet Archive. Now, yes, you can store a lot of voice bank which are found there. You can just search it on Google, the voice bank that you need, and then make sure to install it. So make sure the voice bank is installed and activated. If you've only installed the editor without a voice bank, it will fail to open. If you're using Kaito as seen in the UI, confirm that the Kaito voice bank is installed correctly. Now, if you've installed a voice bank but you're still facing again the same issue, now try this second step here, which is check license activation. Make sure the license for the voice bank is activated via Yamaha's or Krypton's license manager. Some older Vocaloid version failed to load without license activation. Step 3 you need to try is check for the database path. Sometimes Vocaloid can't find its internal database path. Try this. Go to the program files 86 and then Vocaloid or whatever it was installed. Inside of those folders, look for the DB or voice DB or voice. If those are missing, reinstall both the editor and the voice bank. Now, step 3, you can try to reinstall everything clearly. Now, maybe if you've tried all the steps correctly, but you're still facing again the same issue, then you may need to reinstall everything clearly. If you already installed a voice bank but still see this error, uninstall both the Vocaloid Editor and the voice banks. Restart your PC, then reinstall first the Vocaloid Editor, then the second will need to install the voice bank. Run the software as administrator and check if your issue has been resolved. So just to reinstall everything clearly, uninstall both the Vocaloid Editor and the voice bank, restart your PC, then reinstall first the Vocaloid Editor, second the voice bank, then run the software as administrator and check if your issue has been resolved. So this is the best guide on how to fix this error, which say cannot open database terminating program. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and I hope you'll be able to resolve this issue.